everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a wild story straight out of UC Berkeley's prestigious computer science department. It's a tale of academic rivalry, suspicion, and some serious high-tech detective work. Imagine this, you're a PhD student, working hard on your research, but your computers keep mysteriously failing. It's not just once or twice. Over the years, the damages rack up to nearly $50,000. That's exactly what happened to one student in the Electronic Engineering and Computer Sciences department. His professor started to think this was more than just bad luck. Was it possible someone was deliberately sabotaging his students' work? The professor decided to take matters into his own hands. He got permission to set up a hidden camera disguised inside a department laptop and aimed it directly at the student's workstation. He was hoping to catch a thief or maybe just settle his suspicions. What he captured on camera was far more shocking. The footage, according to police, showed another PhD candidate, 26-year-old Jairuizu, approaching his fellow student's computer. He then allegedly used some sort of tool that caused sparks to fly out of the laptop, damaging it right on camera. This wasn't just a simple prank. This was deliberate destruction of expensive and vital research equipment. The video provided the evidence the professor needed to finally understand what had been happening all these years. Following the camera evidence from November 9th and 10th, Zhu was arrested and now faces 3 felony counts of vandalism. Each charge alleges the damage was more than $400 per incident, but the professor and the affected students suspect this has been going on for much longer, possibly explaining the nearly $47,000 in damages accumulated over time. The victim's research is incredibly complex, focusing on things like power management circuits and high-efficiency converters work. That requires functioning, reliable computers. Zhu was arrested on campus, but has since been released and is scheduled for his first court appearance. He declined to speak with the police, so his motive remains a mystery. Is this a case of extreme academic jealousy? An attempt to sabotage a rival's progress? It's a pretty intense situation, showing how high the stakes can get in the competitive world of academia. What do you guys think could be the reason behind this? Let me know your theories in the comments below. It's a crazy story, and we'll be sure to keep you updated as it develops. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time!